Let's learn how to create content for Instagram using Canva. So in this video we'll show you how you can create great and high-quality content for your Instagram profile or page using the Canva application. Canva is a free graphic design tool and it's great for creating any type of content. You can create photos for your Instagram posts and stories, and you can also create videos for your Instagram Reels. Just follow my steps and watch the video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started. You want to open your web browser and go to canva.com, and you can log into the website using your Google account. When you log into Canva, you're going to see this page right here. We will be using the free version of Canva today, but I'm also going to do tutorials with the paid version of Canva as well, where it has a bunch more features. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to see that. We can click on this custom size button right here to create a design with a custom aspect ratio and resolution. Or, what I recommend you to do, is to click on the search bar right here and simply type Instagram. As you know, there are a couple of types of Instagram content. We have Instagram posts, stories, and Instagram Reels, and we'll go through all of these. Let's create an Instagram post first, and we'll select this square design. This design is a 1080 by 1080 pixel design, which means it will be a high-resolution photo. You will see this page with a bunch of templates that we can look and choose for our design. Canva has hundreds of thousands of these Instagram post designs that you can use for different niches and themes, depending on what you are looking for. It has cooking themes, technology, sports, cinema, crypto, and many more designs in here. You can select a design that you want to use and simply open it and start editing it, and I'll show you how to edit in a couple of seconds. But if, for some reason, you don't like any of these and you would like to create your custom design, then go to the top and click on the Create Blank button right here. This will open a blank design for us in our Canva editor, which looks like this. You can see the different tools at the left side of the screen, and we will be using these to create our custom design. If you need to add your photo or video file, then click on Uploads right here, and then Upload Files. This will open your file explorer, so find your media and then upload them. My content is already uploaded in this section, so I'll find it and click on it. When you add your photo or video to the design, you can adjust it by dragging the corners, and that way you can make it bigger or smaller. And select your photo to position it on the screen. I'm going to put this photo of the Golden Gate Bridge at the bottom. And let's change the color of our background, and you do that by clicking on the background, which is white in this case, and then click on the little color icon. Now select any of these colors on the left side of the screen. I'll select this orange color. And as you can see, we've successfully changed our background color. Now the next step is to add the text to your Instagram post, so click on the text tool and then you're going to see a bunch of different text designs which you can choose from. So select one that you like by clicking on it. Now I'll write San Francisco. If you don't like the font, you can change it by clicking here at the top left of the screen. Canva offers hundreds of free fonts from which you can choose from, and you have simple fonts, vintage ones, professional-looking fonts, and many more. Take your time here and select one that you like. And I'll select a black color for my text, and then I'll position it over my photo. The next step is to open the graphics section where we have different stickers, shapes, graphics, and much more stuff. I'll add an American flag to my design, so I'll search for that, but you can search for anything that you want in the Elements section. You can really get creative on this part. And I can add more elements to my design if I want to. So you can use these tools to create cool Instagram posts. I showed you how you can add your photos or videos, the text, and of course the elements. Now let's search for Instagram Reels and find a template for our short-form Instagram content. As you can see, you have different templates and designs that you can use for Instagram Reels, just as you can do with the posts. You can create a blank design, but I'm going to choose a template that I'll customize a little bit and create my reel. When you select a template, it's going to show you a preview on how it looks like, and you want to click on this Customize this template button. And you can see how this template looks like in the video editor. You can click on the text or any of these elements to change them and customize them. I'm simply going to change the text in this alert right here and a couple of more things. You can also change the background video by clicking on it one more time, and then the trash can icon to delete it. Now I'm going to put my video which I've recorded on my smartphone and upload it in the Upload section of Canva. And that is essentially how you can create Instagram content using Canva. Canva offers a lot of tools and you can really customize your content. Get creative with it and make high quality and engaging photos and videos in order to grow your Instagram account or Instagram page. That's it for this video, everyone. If this video was helpful, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next one.